It folds its arms like a monk in prayer, but behind those innocent hands lies one of the fastest, most ruthless killers in the insect kingdom. This is the praying mantis, nature's silent assassin. The praying mantis is unlike any insect you've ever seen. At first glance, it looks fragile, delicate, almost serene. Its folded forearms give the illusion of calm meditation. But make no mistake, this posture is not for prayer, it's for war. With a triangular head that rotates almost 180 degrees, the mantis is one of the few insects with binocular 3D vision. This means it doesn't just see shapes and movement, it can judge depth, distance, and speed with extraordinary accuracy. And it uses this gift for one thing: the hunt. Patient and motionless, it blends into its surroundings. Leaves, twigs, even flowers. Camouflage turns it invisible, making prey wander closer, unaware of the danger inches away. Then, in less than the blink of an eye, 1/20th of a second, its forearms strike. Spiked like knives, they snap shut, trapping flies, grasshoppers, crickets, and even creatures larger than themselves: frogs, lizards, and small birds. Few victims ever escape, but the praying mantis, as invincible as it seems, has enemies. Birds, bats, and spiders see it as prey. Camouflage is its shield as much as it is its weapon. Still, perhaps its greatest danger comes not from predators, but from its own kind. In one of nature's most shocking rituals, the female mantis often devours the male after, or even during mating. What looks like cruelty is in fact survival. The nutrients from the male's body fuel the female's strength to lay up to hundreds of eggs, ensuring the next generation of assassins. For the mantis, death is not the end. It is the sacrifice that sustains life. Yet beyond its ferocity, the mantis is also a marvel of precision. Scientists have studied its hunting strategies, finding that its ability to judge distance and strike with accuracy is so advanced that modern robotics struggle to replicate it. Mid-leap, the mantis adjusts its body like a gymnast, twisting and shifting to land exactly where it needs to. But the mantis isn't just a killer, it's a guardian of balance. By preying on destructive insects, mantises protect crops, gardens, and ecosystems. To farmers, it's a tiny ally. To nature, it's a regulator. And its legend doesn't stop in the wild. Across cultures, the mantis has inspired myth and art. In Chinese martial arts, the mantis style mimics its precision and speed. In African folklore, the mantis is seen as a symbol of patience, focus, and foresight. This is not just an insect. It is a predator, a protector, a symbol, and a mystery. But here's the twist. Despite its deadly skills, the praying mantis is not invincible to us. Pesticides, habitat destruction, and climate change threaten its survival. The question is, will this legendary assassin continue to rule the insect world? Or are its folded arms now praying for its own existence?